Good day everyone, it's me again, your Ahenta Next Door, and today andito tayo sa Calamba City, Laguna to show you this duplex unit here in Agapeya. So dito guys, meron tayong mga soon to RFO house and lot na available both in bank and Pag-ibig financing. Quick update lang, this is the block 6. Almost complete na ang mga units natin dito, and this is the block number 7. May mga nakapag-start ng magpa-improve ng mga houses nila. And may mga available pa tayong soon to RFO. Kaya kung gusto nyo na mabilis makalipat, you can consider this one. For this project, meron tayong iba't ibang color scheme and nakadepende po yan on your chosen block and lot. So here in our front, this is the Hopeful Green. And kung mapapansin nyo, magkaiba rin yung orientation ng roof. So you ask your agent para ma-explain sa inyo ng maayos ano ba yung orientation ng bahay na mapipili po ninyo. So on the left side we have the flat roof, and on the right side we have the slanting roof. Again, this is the Hopeful Green, and ito naman sa kabila is the Joyful Yellow. Yes, iba-iba po. Kaya lively talaga yung community ni Agapeya. Ito namang unit na to, this is the Nostalgic Purple, and itong pink is the Graceful Pink. So sabihin nyo lang sa agent nyo kung may preferred kayo na color para mahanap nila kayo ng block and lot. So check natin yung house. Itong house na to ay may 70 square meter lot area. So you have 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and a carport on the side. So right here is your carport. Meron kang sliding door dyan. You can use the half of it as your lanay. And pagdating dito sa likod, you have space for service area. Pwede mo ipa-expand yung house para mas malawak siya sa loob. By the way, dito guys sa Agapeya Towns in Calamba, meron tayong dalawang klase ng house turnover. We have the semi-complete, complete yung baba, and open layout yung taas. And meron din naman tayong complete type with bedroom partition. For this specific unit, may bedroom partition po ito. So this will be your living area. Napakalawak, malalaki yung bintana. Maganda yung pasok ng hangin and natural light. This is your sliding door going to lanay and your provision for kitchen. You have the daily kitchen countertop dito sa likod, which is pwede mong ilipat at the back of your house in the future. And your common toilet and bath. Complete na yan with basic fixtures. Napakalinis tingnan nitong house na to. Kaya maganda kung makita nyo siya in person. Puntahan natin yung taas. For the stairs, you have steel stairs. And dito sa taas, meron kang provision for 3 bedrooms. Yan. So karamihan ng available natin, open lang yung taas kasi mga semi-complete sila, pero mas affordable din naman. This is your bedroom number 1. You can use it as your master's bedroom. Your bedroom number 2 na pwede sa mga kids, teens. And your bedroom number 3. So ito siya. Meron ka pang space dito na pwede mong gawing office area o kaya naman lagyan mo ng cabinet. Maganda rito, malalaki yung bintana. So you don't have to worry about the ventilation and the lighting. You can still save because of that. Ang to-check natin this time is dressed up. In the front, you have 1.5 meters. And then this is your carport. So ang ginawa nila, they have 1 vehicle carport and your lanay on this side. Tapos sa likod, doon nila nilagay yung mga air conditioning unit, mga condenser. Pero pwede mo kasi yung gawing extension for your kitchen para mas malawak. Then here's your sliding door going to lanay. Dressed up na to. So magkaroon kayo ng idea paano nyo siya lalagyan ng gamit kapag nakalipat na kayo on your own unit here in Agapeya. Tara sa loob. So welcome to your Agapeya house. This is your living area. Diba? Napaka-comfy, very homey nung vibe nitong unit na to. Beneath the stairs, doon nila nilagay yung entertainment appliances, your TV, and your couch over here. Although, pwede nyo siyang i-convert into a storage room. And here is your dining area with the 6-seater table. Very aesthetic. Feeling ko galing to sa IKEA. And of course, your access going to the lanay. Here's your daily kitchen. Yan. Yung space kanina on this side, nilagyan nila ng refrigerator. But most of the time, I suggest with my clients na i-move na lang yung kitchen outside of the house para you have bigger dining area inside. And right here is your common toilet and bath. Meron na siyang sariling shower space. And another look. Napakalinis. Napakaganda. Check naman natin yung second floor. So originally, the stairs is made of steel. And then, ngayon, ang ginawa nila, they added this wood planks para mas maganda siyang tingnan. At the same time, medyo mas tahimik siya when you step on it. You can do that as well kapag naka-move in ka na on your unit here in Agapeya. This is your hallway. Very spacious. And this is your bedroom number 1. Why not yung ilaw? You can use this as your master's bedroom. Nakasyang-kasya ang queen size bed. Just like this one. And they even put a storage cabinet over here. Ang linis ha. Although this one, I really love how they did this wall. Pero wallpaper lang to, hindi siya paint. Yan no. Pero napakaganda niya. Very relaxing, very aesthetically pleasing. Diba? Yun naman ang gusto natin sa bahay. Yung pagpasok mo, marirelax ka. And for the bedroom number 2, this is a kid's room. Yan. So on the ground, you have this play area. And meron ka ritong double deck. Although kapag bata, diba, medyo hindi suggested na ganto yung layout ng bed kasi syempre medyo delikado na baka mahulog sila. But it's up to you if you want to do the same setup. Pero kung ako yung titira sa bahay na to, I would use this room as my computer area. Gaming room talaga siya. Or kaya naman rooms for my cats. And finally, you have the third bedroom over here. But instead of putting a bed, naglagay na lang sila ng couch and use it instead as the family area. You even have your working space over there. Diba? Very well thought yung interior nitong bahay. Na pwede mo rin gayahin once nakalipat ka na on your own unit. But right now, marami kasing inspiration sa online, especially on TikTok. And I suggest, kung gusto nyo talaga na maging super ganda ng bahay nyo dito sa Agapeya Towns in Calamba, I highly recommend that you hire professional para sila yung gumawa ng layout, sila yung gumawa ng interior ng house mo. That way, ma-ensure nyo na mas maganda and talagang quality yung pagkakagawa. So that's it for our updated Agapeya Towns house tour. So if you're interested in owning a property here, you can contact us on our Facebook page, Ahenta Next Door. We are also available in WhatsApp and Viber. So see you here in Agapeya. Bye!